Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to log out Discord on PC. Firstly, you need to open your preferred browser. On the search bar, click over there and type discord.com. You will get to enter on the official page of Discord. Now let's click on Open Discord. You will get land on your Discord account. At the bottom left corner, you will get to see user settings. Click on it. Now at the left corner, scroll down and click on Logout, where a pop-up will be shown to log out to your account. Click on Logout, and this is how you log out Discord on PC. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.